my name is Alexia. I'm a billing analyst from Texas and a DACA recipient. I'm also participating in the Winter 2020 California-Mexico Dreamer Study Abroad program. This program will allow me and other DACA recipients around the U.S. to travel to our country of birth. But in order to travel, we have to apply for advanced parole. What does advanced parole mean to me? Advanced parole means opportunity. The opportunity to reunite with my family after 20 years. Advanced parole will allow me to have an in-person and in-depth look at my heritage and my birthland's history. However, on September 5th, 2017, the Trump administration ended DACA and advanced parole. But due to the judgment from the Supreme Court, advanced parole must be reinstated. I urge the Department of Homeland Security to accept new and outstanding advanced parole applications. Advanced parole is significant to DACA, but still under attack by the current administration. I ask in support of your vote in this election to defend DACA and advanced parole. Please share this video, contact Congress, and tag your reps.